Hi Money Magnets. In this video, I'm going to show you how I use an AI writer to make a staggering $12,000. An AI writer is a powerful tool that can help you write content faster and more efficiently. If you're looking for ways to make money online, this is a great option to consider. So if you want to know how I did it, keep watching. So this is the proof right here. It had shown to be able to make $12,000. First off, how did I do this? Well, I was running a campaign for an email and WhatsApp. Now, mind you, I'm running it to my existing database and get them to purchase a product in my landing page. So if you don't have your database, you will first have to get your database by getting leads, whether is it paid traffic on Facebook ads or organic traffic on Google itself or other social media itself as well. So this works because I have my existing database. Therefore, I can generate $12,000 in 1 hour. Now, which part of it is being written by AI? All of them. Email, WhatsApp, and landing pages with just a little bit of minimal editing on my side. And am I happy with that? Yes, I am super happy with that result because it has cut my time of coming out written content from 4 hours to 1 hour. To somebody, 4 hours can mean half a day. And to me, I can use so much of that time to do something else because as an entrepreneur, right? Most of us have lots of things on our mind. We have to handle clients, we have to handle sales, we have to handle lots of things. And being able to cut so much time frees my time to do a lot of things. And I'm happy with that. Other than that, I've tried this as well on many different campaigns. In fact, 3 of them. And what I see, it shows that it has similar consistent result, roughly around 12,000 or so with my existing database, around 2,000 or whatnot. You may be thinking, what sort of AI writer that I'm talking about? Well, the link is in the description and you can start writing it for free. The good thing about this AI writer is that it is SEO optimized and it's plagiarism free. So you don't need to worry about all those kind of things. How it works is that you can get ideas from there. You can get an intro out from there. You can get outline out there or even create an article from there as well. And there's so many things you can create from there, including this YouTube description is written by the AI writer itself. So definitely check this out. All right. It's also used by notable companies such as Rakuten, Spotify, and has won numerous awards. So definitely nothing to be afraid of. You also can write a lot of things from there, whether it's Quora answers, landing pages, Facebook ads, your company mission and company bio or whatnot. All right. So especially for new companies or if you are a startup or someone who have never done a startup, just wanting to do some online business or side hustle, so this one will save you a lot of time. Try it out, guys. For me, after trying this out, I never went back. I use this tool almost every single day, and this is something that saved me thousands and thousands of hours and brain juice and my sanity itself from running my own business and whatnot, and it helped me a lot. I cannot stress this out. This is something all entrepreneurs should check. As you can see in this page itself, this guy, Will Sharon, I hope I get that right, Will Sharon. Well, he has written an article or 1 article per day and now into 8. And it shows that he's really happy with it. The other thing about this AI writer is that it's backed up by Y Combinator, which in fact has backed up Twitch, Reddit, Airbnb, OpenSea, totally helped increase my confidence in it as well. One of the things about this is that I have to tell you is that you please do not copy and paste. As you can see this article by Logic Design, I left the article link in the description, is that Google in fact can detect whether or not you are using an AI writer. Now, this is very important. What this means is that you can be lazy because you're using AI writer, but you can't be super lazy, like blindly lazy. You can't just copy and paste. You have to add a little bit of your elements there. Example, your offer is totally different from anyone else. You have to change something from that, whether is it the price, whether is it the offer description, whether it's the brand name. You can't just copy and paste. You have to add a little bit things on your point of view. Then that way, your copy will be so much more powerful, and Google will not be able to 100% detect that content is written purely by an AI. Okay? Understand that? You can't just be super lazy. I know this one saved lots of time, but still, it took me 1 hour of editing to get everything right. Okay? It doesn't mean instant. Yeah. Although the article writer will come up your article in an instant or come out with your copy in an instant, you can't just blindly copy and paste. You have to add little bit things on your point of view as well, or your ideas as well. All right. But the good thing about this is that the pros outweighs the cons. It's suitable for solo entrepreneurs. It helps save time and it helps with ideas, especially ideas. So many times I crack my brain thinking of ideas and I couldn't find out what's the best way to do. Yep. So that's it. This is how I managed to make $12,000 in 1 hour. And if I can do it, you can do it too. So hurry down to the description to check it out. I'll see you in the next video.